is adjacent to yung Dutch na owner, German daw may-ari nito. Then you have yung road na yung accessibility niya. This one medyo one way lang talaga yung kalsada na papasok. Okay. Ito vacant lot. This could be open for sale. So I'm in this is Barangay Matangad, Gitagum in Misamis Oriental. So this is this location is the northernmost tip of Mindanao. Accessibility, this is yung problem nito, kung accessible siya. Yung problem is yung accessibility. Very small na barangay road, less than 3 meters. No, na kalsada, grabe. Paingon dito, wala siya accessibility.